Vanakkam, I am K. Satish Kumar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering at Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this lecture, we are going to see the basic terms needed to design a vehicle. So, these are all the points to be considered to design a vehicle. First of all, better comfort. The comfortness is a greater ability to provide without any oscillation of vehicle to the driver and the passengers. It can be obtained by well balance of engine mounting and the arresting of vibration of transmission system components. We can also to eliminate the roughness from the road, which creates some undisturbed force to the system. Then the second one, safety features. Nowadays we are having maximum number of safety aspects in our vehicle like airbag, seat belt, ABS, etc. So to providing maximum safety aspects, we can have a better feeling to ride our vehicle. Third one, higher efficiency. Nowadays the fuel is gets decreased. So to run our vehicle greater, we need higher fuel economy, higher thermal efficiency, etc. The pollution to the atmosphere is getting increased nowadays. So to provide low pollution is one of the major criteria for our designing vehicle. Now we are following Bharat stage 6, but still we are polluting our atmosphere. So it is our duty to reduce our pollution. We are already using catalytic converter, EGR, etc. So similar to this, we need to reduce our pollution. The durability of our vehicle should be high as possible. It should be low cost, and the material is selected for our manufacturing should have the manufacturability for like castability, forgeability, weldability, etc. And if one spare parts available is missing, it should be available. So spare parts availability, it should be easy to service, and easy handling characteristics is necessary, and the last one is better problem solving characteristics. There are some other factors are necessary to provide smooth engine operations. They are: one is always use recommended fuel. If we are using unrecommended fuel, it will damage our life of engine. Then the engine oil should be filled with the required level at the same time. Otherwise, the engine will feel very warmth condition. Once it reaches maximum temperature, the engine will collapse. At frequent level, we have to tune up our engine, then only we can get a better mileage. The balanced mounting of engine will greatly reduce the vibration. We have to cool off the engine for long drive. Otherwise, we will feel some disturbance which is very disturbing for us. And oil filter, fuel filter, and the air filter, it should be frequently checked and to be changed. Here we are having gradability. The gradability is defined as the highest grade a vehicle can ascend maintaining a particular speed. Gradability is given a lesser significance unless a special purpose vehicle is being designed like a SUV, that means a sports utility vehicle or other heavy duty vehicles. It should be maintained because once the gradability is not delivered, then the greater weight carrying vehicle can upside down once it is driven in hills. So it should also be noted down. The gradability is measured in multiple ways, mainly as an angle of inclination to the horizontal. It may be declared as 20 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, etc. It also may denote as a percentage of rise overrun, and as also it is maybe denoted as a ratio of one part run to some particular number of parts. For example, 1 in 20 meters, 1 in 50 feet, etc. There are some steps are involving for complete vehicle design. First, we have to know the purpose of vehicle. What purpose the vehicle is going to be used. It is whether it is used to transport passengers or to transport vehicles, or maximum how many passengers are going to use this our vehicle. So these are all the main point. First one, purpose of vehicle. Then the seating capacity. Once we know the transportation purpose, we have to prepare for our seating capacity. What type of drive? There are some other types of drive. Front engine, front wheel drive, front engine, rear wheel drive, mid engine, all wheel drive, rear engine, rear wheel drive. So based upon the our purpose of vehicle, we can choose the type of drive. Then the engine. We already know the purpose of vehicle, how much power it is needed. So based upon this, we can build up our engine and capacity, engine type, either inline or V-type engine, and the mounting position, front side, mid side or rear side, etc. Type of fuel system, we can we can send the fuel by carburation, or we can injecting the fuel to the engine in case of petrol engine. If in case of diesel engine, it may be CRDA, that means common rail diesel injection system. And the type of transmission system may also be discussed, whether it may be a manual or automatic manner. And last one, vehicle body design. By providing a complete aerodynamic design, we can greatly reduce the air resistance. And the material availability. We may have a material properties, but if it is not available, then what is the purpose? So the material should be available for manufacturing the component, and the available material should go under various manufacturers process, castability, forgeability, etc. It should obey for the process. It should be low cost. Various safety aspects should be included while designing our vehicle, and additional features, for example space for luggage, storing additional accessories, tires, tools, medical kits, etc. should be stored in the vehicle. Better human comfort, it is the main point. We have to produce a complete comfort to our passengers, drivers and all the vehicle components, etc. And active and passive safety. For example, we need to provide a better bumper design, ABS, and power collision system, steering collision system, airbag, seat belt, etc. for safety aspects. So these are all the points to be considered while designing our vehicle. Thank you.